Add mushroom and cabbage in a bowl. Now add 1 by 4 cup of corn flour, 1 cup maida, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, preferably Kashmiri chili, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, salt as per taste. Now mix everything together. Add water little by little or else it will become runny. You must be able to hold the shape in your hands. Now heat the oil in a kadai and fry them in small balls. You can eat it this stage too. Kids love this. For the masala, add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add onions and fry. Once it becomes half cooked, add ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, green chilies, and fry. Now add tomato puree. You can substitute it with tomato sauce too. Add dry masala at this stage: turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, and salt. Now add corn flour and water mix and let it thicken. At this stage, add fried pakoras and let it sit for 5 minutes in low flame. Break it into small pieces. You can add little water to get desired consistency. It's done. Garnish it with onions and coriander leaves. Street style kalan is now ready.